never get it. You're doing the same thing over and over.
What is this?
I'm crying.
Today, Rie and I are gonna be playing a little game. Rie has to cook a dish, but she has no idea what that dish is. I have to give her instructions using these recipe cards, but here's a little catch. There are a bunch of words on here that are completely off limits. Let's see what we're making. Okay, we're gonna be making creamy chicken piccata. All right, Rie, come on in. Are you ready for this?
I don't know.
I'm gonna tell you the rules to the game. Avoid the off-limits words. No miming while speaking. The cook can only do as instructed. And if any rules are broken, the instructor can only mime the next step. Let's go play. Okay, this one's pretty simple. Bring a large pot of seasoned water to a boil.
Okay.
I'm assuming you got this one.
Yeah, seasoned water, salt, right?
Ding, ding, ding.
So there it's two white thing. One's salt, one's sugar. But this is salt.
Good.
Just like make sure it's just always
We don't
stays.
want sugar water, that's for sure.
I assume it's pasta because it's large pot of water, seasoned with salt. So, and also I want to use lid because it's like faster the process. I can just put another pan on top of
So
it.
crafty, Rie. I didn't actually technically tell you to do that, but I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Okay, next prepare the bok.
Bok, bok, bok.
Bok.
Chicken.
Yes.
Okay.
I feel like I'm pretty good at this.
You mimed.
Oh. All right, I by accidentally mimed that, so the next card I cannot speak.
Can I just handcuff her, make my life easier? So, chicken. Okay, let me ask you a question. How big is the chicken? Is it cube? Is it like why you fry? Fry it. Fly, cut, butterfly cut. Butterfly cut.
Perfect.
What am I making?
Place on top of a piece of, you color in kindergarten, you color on a, I mimed again.
Does anyone have a string or something? Like I really want to
So,
get the paper. So
What do you use for baking?
baking paper,
Yeah. So place on top a piece of
chicken,
no,
Paper?
The paper. Okay, I can't use words.
Yeah, all the clues should be mine. I think you're better at miming. Pound. Good. I have no idea what I'm making. Because you let me boil water, pounding chicken. But I think pounding chicken means I feel like we're gonna roll something up. So I feel like I should go a little thinner. No? Thicker, thinner, thin. Half inch. Half inch, half. Half. I will never get it. You're doing the same thing over and over. I'm crying. Say when. Oh, you can do it. So pound until this size, this thickness. Okay. Okay. Do the hand. Let me see. Okay, it's good. Okay.
A quarter inch! I was trying to say half a half. That was the longest I've ever not spoken. Season well with salt and
Pepper.
there you go.
I think our water is ready. Pepper.
Lightly coat each piece of chicken with
What is it made of?
gluten.
Gluten flour.
Yes.
Okay.
Next, heat a metal thing
Pan.
over medium heat.
Okay, so let me wash my hands before I'm getting pan.
Did I say you could do that?
You mimed it. Luckily, I already have a pan warmed up.
Add in, add in the greasy,
Oil, olive oil. Okay.
how you're good at this.
How much?
Oh, it's all measured out.
Oh, okay.
Fry the chicken in the pan until it has like a nice tan.
Golden brown. Don't gesture. Don't do this.
Now she's telling me what to do. You need to discard the chicken once cooked.
Chicken
But don't
grease.
Discard it.
Just like So once it's become golden brown, take the chicken out from the pan?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Don't throw it in the trash can. Woo! Pour in the stuff that I drink every weekend.
Wine?
It's a little scary how fast you got that.
I know you too well.
Actually, you didn't clarify which type of wine.
White wine.
Ding, ding, ding.
I'm gonna just pour and turn on the heat because it has a lot of oil and it's gonna splatter.
It smells really good.
So how long am I reducing?
Wait, that was the next step. You
All
said
right.
it yourself.
Hurry up!
Add in the one of my favorite foods,
So big!
stuff that you
Olive.
put in a biscuit.
Stuff you put in butter!
Next, you're going to add in my other favorite food.
Give me more cream.
When I'm gonna be making out, I don't eat this.
Garlic!
And the little round things.
Caper.
Pour in the stuff I used to sell on the sidewalk as a kid.
Cupcake? Lemonade? Okay, so lemon.
Not lemonade.
Okay.
But there was one time that I did sell lemon juice, actually. I forgot to put the sugar in.
Oh my god.
People were not very happy. Add in the bok
Bok bok? Chicken.
juice.
Chicken juice? Chicken stock.
Yeah.
Chicken stock? What's this? I think it's beef.
Maybe you gotta smell it.
Yeah. Chicken stock is reduced. What's next?
Next, you're gonna stir in the stuff that comes out of a cow udder.
Milk.
No.
What? Heavy milk? Okay.
Yeah.
There is two things look like milk and heavy cream.
Yum. There's a Star Wars movie called
Empire Strike Back.
different one.
Give me another hint.
Blank of the Jedi.
Return?
Yes! Return the chicken to the pan.
Okay.
That was a good one.
Good job, Alex.
So now we're going to cook. What am I?
Alex.
I'm a complete,
Woman?
I'm just a girl from heaven.
From heaven? Angel.
Cook!
Oh, angel hair pasta.
Yes! Used to be my favorite kind of pasta because I always thought I had kind of like angel-like hair.
Look like angel hair. Pasta's in for 2 minutes. What are you eating?
You don't need these tomatoes, so figured I'd
Juices
have a little
out.
snack. An appetizer, if you will.
Yeah, do you want to make a little salad for me? I can
We're
make
not done
that.
yet, Brienne. Next, you're going to
Tell me.
the little things.
Color?
Can't say it.
Color of,
Leprechauns.
oh, green. Give me more.
The opposite of cilantro.
Parsley. Well, I knew it actually. I'm just giving you a hard time.
What is this? Got a little carried away there.
I still don't know what's this.
Okay, we have the one final command from the angel. You have to
Eat this one bite.
put it all over your face.
You don't have that power.
Dang it. Put it on the thing that's round and you
I don't know about
you have a view in your kitchen.
plates.
I take all the credit for making this delicious.
I still don't know what's this.
You don't know what it is?
No.
It's chicken piccata.
I learned something today then. Thank
There's
you.
like veal piccata, chicken piccata. So we've reached the best part of the game. It's time to eat.
Taste test.
Now, Rie, if this is bad, you are taking full responsibility. If this is good, it's all on me. Okay, Rie, Hakuna Piccata.
Dig in. Cheers.
Oh, wow, my piece is so much bigger than yours. Mmm. That's me miming.
Yeah, don't mind. This recipe is so simple and easy. When we started, it was kind of bumpy start, but we made a delicious dish.
So this recipe is actually live on Tasty, so if you want to make this yourself, go check it out. I'm sorry I can't be there with you to tell you how.
High five.
Catch you later.
Can I mime?
You don't need to mime, you're cooking.
I can just like mime and you say,
Oh.
yeah.